Okay guys, I'll show you how to create your pivot table in less than 2 minutes. By pressing the shift key, arrow right, I'll go ahead and select all my headers and I'll put them in bold letters. Where I'm at, I'll press Control Shift and my arrow down all together at the same time so that I select all the values in the table. I go to the name box right here on the top left side and I'll go ahead and name my table. I'm just going to put table, hit enter. Now I have my table created. I'll go ahead and create a new sheet. I go to insert, put pivot table. The table range is going to be the table I just created. I'm just going to put table, click enter. See, I have a pivot table now. After that, on the right side, on the pivot table fields, you can see that you have all the headers that we selected at the beginning. And let's say if you want to see how many calls were answered, you're just going to drag the answered header, let's say to the rows, and then you're gonna also drag that answer header to the values, and then you can easily see how many of the calls were not answered, how many of them were answered. And the options are pretty flexible. You can see as well, let's say how many users you have and how many calls each of them made. That's how you can easily get your pivot table.